Hello, Obusiafo. Omakwa the Transcendent Truth Channel. So, Mediane Dr. Samuel Teteteria. I'm a pharmacist and a proprietor of Smartel Pharma Solutions. And as we try a first aid series in so. Na ene pese share ye kits minua e o market no so. Na ye ransom no ye dem. Na ye mama kwenya se mu yi dia mope na nyebi eniti ye standard pack and I assign the premium pack. The standard pack no ndura then promo pack ni na mobi. Aside that no cotton wool, your examination gloves, adversition start to prevent infections, your crepe bandage, your cuticle and asparagus, and a sign nose mask, your torch, a sign plaster strip foam, and a notebook and pen for keeping records of ABL, non-poison, natural poison, chrono, and obia pedrobia ama wako off, and trash betro educate fire no notebook so na ambulance be fana na say more than acquire sabia what they are doctor na apomden hwefo mbehwe nipa no enunti enne notebook no botaye afe yewo scissors nhwehwe then yewo scissors o promo pack na that's a standard pack. Yaba premium pack na it will be bia a standard pack ni na adia e dance wo me say premium pack no wo thermometer in say Ghana endemic zone for malaria a trace malaria wo Ghana brano itichiro ne during and after the rainy season and as October the enya cases of malaria and then to so thermometer will fear a trace wait me I check your temperature and bra wonya some symptoms be anase utipa wo awode wo ne saa nyoma no ebi ye ho ye hye wait me the thermometer na confirm your temperature no no say saying usually for malaria you can say from 38 and above and even 37.5 degrees Celsius and above a cardinal sign together with the symptoms it suggests to say nipa no malaria intimpa no wetimi akwa nearest pharmacy clinic or hospital no akwa malaria test no wetimi treat malaria na symptom na terms so any thermometer no botayo enya malaria nkwa na you check temperature infections be bro ehia cell check nipa ne temperature the thermometer no ewo ho wetimi abo kwan bebre so eno nti se ope first aid kit ebebo awo dada asitena mo fie osuku mo office and I okay mo wetimi at the standard pack ayejuma na se ope the ewo additional benefits ebebo awo fie tissue ɛne beaeɛ bi a wokɔ biara na wapɛ yɛn premium pack no bi. Aha na yɛde ɛnɛ deɛ yi bɛsi. Na menhyira wo sɛ wohwɛɛ. Bye bye.